Okay, hello, Emma. Emma, you're not going to school until Monday.
Yeah.
And your CA1 is when?
Next week.
Next week, okay. And you'll be tested only on simultaneous equation, mainly on.
Wait. Chapter 1 to 3.
1 to 3, okay. All right, no problem. 1 to 3, yeah. The one that you took the worksheet from your friends, that's a simultaneous equation, right? So you want to go through that first or how?
Yeah.
Let's see. One by one. Okay, we see this one now. This is okay, linear equation with two variables. Solving simultaneous linear equation by graphical method. Okay. All right. So this one, I think, this one you're okay, right? Or you feel you're forgotten? Okay, let us go. Let us analyze one by one, the whole thing. Okay. So now this is where we are looking at it. You can see the screen, right? It's clear for you,
Yeah.
Y equals to 3 over 4x minus 2. So you know the minus 2 down here is the y-intercept. So if let's say we were to look down at the down here, can you see it cuts the y-intercept at minus 2. All right, that's one. And then the gradient, you see down here, right? Gradient is 3, 4. 3, 4 means, okay, what does it mean 3, 4? Means it can, since it's this 1, 2, you can see it's 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1 unit, 1, 1, 1. So it's evenly spaced, we can see clearly. When you increase x by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will only increase by 3. That's what it means, 3, 4. Okay, but in order to find the gradient and all that, maybe we just need to revise lah. Okay, maybe we just need to revise and then we do by the graphical method, and I think you should be okay because this you have already done. The other time when I tested you, you were okay lah with this. Maybe it's just a 3/4 issue. Maybe you're more used to 2x. You know what I mean? So just to tell you about the gradient, if they tell you it's half like that, this now means it will increase by 1. So let's say your graph is like that. You move this by 1, 2, this one only increase by 1. So it's like a gentle slope. Example, this is 1, 1, this down here now, this is the marking on the thing. So let's say it cuts through here, center 0. So now watch it, it's a gentle slope because you have to move x by 2, then the y increase by 1. That's what half mean. Okay? You know what I mean? If it's the other way, 2x is 2 over 1. 2 over 1 means what? It's the other way around. You move x by 1, y will increase by 2 down here, something like that. You move x by 1, y increase by 2 from this point to the next point. Increase x by 1, y will increase by 2. So the steepness can be told by the gradient, the mx, they call it y equals to mx plus c. This is the gradient m. So if it's plus, it will cut this way. It might be like that. All these are all plus. If it's negative, it will go in the other direction. So imagine someone on top here is going down. Okay, that means this is negative. Someone is climbing up the slope. This is positive. Okay, so this positive, negative here. If this is plus, it will be this way. If this down here is minus, it will be going down somewhere. Okay. Actually, you have done this. You are okay. Maybe you are just a little bit nervous, Okay, but we have a look at the other one also. We have a look at the other one. Okay. Is it really that tough? Let us see. This is the same thing. Same thing. Just let me find where is it. Hold on. One more here. Okay. Okay, this one now. So they say from the graph. So this is a continuation. Both x and y are the variables of the equation. Yeah, because that's what they mean by variables means they are the unknown. Down here, they write unknown down here. Right, in the thing y equals to half x plus whatever. So the unknown is only x and y. So the points on the line are solutions to situation of the what points on the line. This is the correct answer. Okay. So now normally if they ask simultaneous equation, there's two equations, right? So one will be this way, and now one will cut somewhere. So now the intersection of the two graphs, they are the roots of the equation, something like that. Normally they'll use like that. Or they are the solution. When I say the solution is the intersection. Solution, sometimes they say solve the simultaneous. What are asking to solve? They're asking for solution. Or they're asking for the point of intersection. Which I think you know, right? And we can do this in two ways. One, we can use the simultaneous equation. We do a graph and find out. The other one is what we have been doing using the formula method, the substitution method. We are doing the same thing. When we find the value of x or y, we are finding the point of the coordinates of the point of intersection. That's all. Are you okay? So maybe you want to go through that question? We can go through that question. You have graph paper with you?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. So maybe if you want that, we can. Let me see. Where's the? Just one moment. Let me find. Okay, so down here. What is the one? Oh, this is the one, right? So now, this is just linear. Where the two equation? There's only one here. There's only one here. Right? This is just a normal graph lah, which is very easy, right? You just create this thing. You create this one. You see, you look at your friend, she had 3 points. Okay, so use 3 points. 3 points is good. Okay. Then you put the value of x and y. You look at your graph paper lah. If this graph paper now they give like this, x is like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You take lah. X as 0, x as 4 is quite a distance. Then you choose and you. Okay, why don't you try now? Okay, you create something like this for you know what I mean, the x and y box, and then you look at your graph paper because this is the graph paper that is given. They don't give you minus something, so don't give a minus value for x. Give only the values that are given here. All right. So you create the box. You create the box there. This one whatever, just three points lah. Okay. Can you create and then you substitute what's the value inside. So 3 points, what 3 points? You can take this Look, this is 1, 0, 2, 5 or 4, whatever. Okay, you try. What are the points you chose, Emma? What did you choose for x? Have you done?
0 to 4.
Sorry?
0 to 4.
0 to 4. So you found your answer, eh?
How am I supposed to find F? Why?
You've forgotten. Okay, look at here. Y, what's the equation? Y equals to equation. Okay, let me see. This equation 3x, 3 over 4x minus 2. Okay, now. So we write down like that. 3 over 4 x. Now x, you can put it on top if you want to, or at the center. Minus 2, is it? Minus 2. So now you put in the value lah. Emma, you want to find y, right? Okay, put y equals to 3, then put a bracket beside it like that. Okay. The value of x, right, is 0. Put 0 inside here. Over 4. Minus 2. Then you know how much you get. 3 times 0 is 0. 0 divided by 4 is 0. So y equals to minus 2. So it's correct, right? When x is 0, y is minus 2. Correct lah. 1 point here. You know what to do, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want me to draw the graph?
No. I want you just to find out. I want to get down to actually why are you feeling unnerved? I think you're feeling a bit unnerved. So that's why I want to just go through the one single process. So you give me what's the reading now here? What's your reading now here? When x is 2, y is what? Have you found out?
Minus 0.5.
Minus 0.5. Okay, theirs is minus 1.5. Let's see. Oh, yeah, sorry. X is 2 minus 0.5. So which one is the one? Okay, let's see. So 3 times 2, 6, 1.6. 6, 1.5. 1.5 minus 2, minus 0.5. Okay, correct. So the next one, what when it's 4, what? How much is it?
1.
4, 4, 1. 4, 12. Okay, 1, correct. Yeah. So you already got this. You know how to plot on this graph itself? Can you use your thing and plot now on the screen here? Can? Do I need to do anything? No need, right? It's the same thing, is it? Is it the same thing? Are the points the same?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can see, right? Down here, you see, you said 4, 1. 4, 1. Sorry, I miss one. Then 2, 0.5, somewhere around here lah. So good lah. Then we draw zoom straight. Okay, zoom straight lah. Okay. So now you have just drawn this. So now the question we got to ask you is, why are you feeling nervous? You know why? Why? You tell me why. You must understand yourself, you know. 三次, you know, 三次. This thing when I'm teaching maths, and I do this with all the students, it is important for you to know your journey. So there's this guy by the name of Sun Tzu. He wrote a book 2,000 years ago called The Art of War. And even before knowing your enemy, he says you need to know yourself. So in your case, do you know why you're feeling nervous? Are you feeling nervous first? Are you feeling nervous or scared? Huh? No. No. Means you're not worried that you know how to do this question.
No.
What do you mean? Okay. But you are saying you do not know how to do this question. Okay, I tell you what. Okay. Right now. Let us I think you have forgotten lah. Okay, we turn to page hold on. Okay, page 23. This one. Have you done it? 23 on the book? No. Can you do this now? We take equation, we try all of them lah. Is it okay? We don't need to be so detailed. What you do the what is it? You do the table first, so you know what to draw. They tell you, oh, from -6 to 6, -8 to 8. Okay, so no problem. You can do it. Emma, you must realize normally something we learn something new, it will take several attempts before you master it fully, you know. So you have mastered certain parts maybe you have not mastered, but this one you know how to do. I am very certain you know how to do this. Okay, so now let's say you do A first and B. A and B first. Let us see. Anything you're confused, please tell me. I cannot read what you're thinking. You must tell me. You know what to do or don't know what to do?
I'm doing it right now.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Do I draw the graph?
Okay. Yeah, please do. You just do a rough one because I want you to be sure that you are clear. And once you're done, you take a photo of it and send me so that I can analyze it on the screen. So I think you are more or less well prepared for first 3 chapters, but maybe we go through bits and pieces here and there lah. Can just take a snapshot of what you have done, Emma? Just let me have a look.
I had to redo it like I had to redo it like 2 times.
Okay. You're having flu, is it, Emma?
What?
You're having flu?
I had a flu and then a fever.
So do you go for the test? Negative, right? Okay, congratulations. Okay, so let us see. Okay, all right. You have just. I tell you what. You want to draw it on the screen or never mind, you do on paper. Do on paper. Do on paper. Do on paper. Okay, but yeah. Okay, your markings are good. Do you think you know how to do this question, Emma? Is it pressurizing for you? Is it difficult for you? Is it?
Something is wrong.
Okay, never mind. You take a photo and you show me. You take a photo so that I can. See, Okay, now I'll show you your thing. You have done for A and B, correct? Your table is not here. Okay, never mind. Okay, never mind. It's okay, I'm gonna just check by your. This one is for which one? The first one, A.
Yeah.
Okay, A. Let's see, half x plus 1. So is it going by 1? See, we can check like this. Okay, now, yeah, down here it goes down, on here. I don't think it cuts at 1, right? So that means something is wrong. It's supposed to cut here.
Yeah, they were on me.
Okay. So the table is the one, is it? There's a problem with the table. Okay, you check, you correct that. Inshallah, it'll be better. So through by you checking the y-intercept and the gradient, you can check whether it's right or wrong.
Okay?
There's something wrong.
It's okay, it's okay. Let me see, yeah. Okay, take a photo of your table also. Table. And you send to me, okay? Huh? Okay, let's check the table first. Okay, table now saying it. So let me see. Can we rotate? Rotate it. Okay, so you can see a table, huh? Now the equation says y equals to half x. Y equals to half x minus y equals half x. Huh? So this one x is minus 6, is it? So minus 6. Okay. We're gonna put in, we're gonna do now here on the screen. Huh? So the equation now I'm gonna write for y equals to half x. X is center or top, okay? Plus 1. So now you put minus 6, that means this is minus 6. So I'm going to write on here y equals to stuff like that. Equals to, so you can put 1 and then you can put bracket lah, minus 6 if you want, because the x is actually on top, but sometimes you write in the middle, no problem. Plus 1. Now minus 6 times 1 is minus 6. Minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 1. Emma, this is where you have made a mistake. You would have utang $3, have $1. That means you still utang $2. So this one here is minus 2. So this one now, you must tell me how do you do this one. You must know how to do this one. Huh? That means this thing now down here. The problem maybe now is your substitution. It's actually substitution. Right? Y equals to half x plus 1. So if you want to put the x down here also no problem. Y equals to half times 6, right? 6 over 1 plus 1. Minus 6, sorry, minus 6. Okay, divide by 2, get 1. Divide by 2, get 3. 1 times minus 3 is minus 3 plus 1. You don't get an 8 there. So you got to check on that part. As you are doing now, are you getting increasingly frustrated? Yes, inside you. Honest. From your eyes, I can see. Yes, you are.
I'm on too much medication to be nervous right now.
Oh, what medication are you taking? Flu. Huh?
Flu, cough, fever.
Oh, okay. Then, okay. Do we want to, okay, I tell you what. This is like half an hour has passed. You want to continue tomorrow itself, where you take your rest. If you are sick, I can try to make time. You are not going to school, right? So you are free in the morning.
Yeah. What time?
Maybe okay. I have something on. Okay. 10 o'clock in the morning, inshallah. Okay. But I need to leave exactly at 11 now. So maybe if you want 9:45, we can try to start. But you do this question in the morning. Now maybe you might be a little bit high, you know. Okay, whatever it is. Okay, don't get, when you get frustrated, you will tend to make more mistakes. And then your frustration, this happens to everyone. You get more frustrated, you get more mistakes. So you got to take it easy. And today might not be a good day. Just sleep over it. You have to advise yourself that way, you know. Not only about maths, but other things also. Okay. Okay, all right. Okay, we see you tomorrow again, 9:45. You just send me a reminder in case 9:30. You just send me a reminder again. Can? In the morning, not night, morning. Okay, you take care of yourself. Okay, bye-bye.